Banks are in trouble. AI might replace them sooner than you think. For more than a century, banks have stood at the center of the global economy. They control deposits, issue loans, manage payments, safeguard wealth, and influence entire governments. For decades, their dominance felt permanent. But something has changed. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic experiment running in research labs. It is now embedded in finance, quietly rewriting the rules of money. The shift is happening faster than most people realize. Behind polished banking apps and corporate press releases, AI systems are automating decisions, replacing human roles, and challenging the very structure of traditional banking. The question is no longer whether banks will use AI. They already do. The real question is whether AI will reduce banks to back-end infrastructure, while tech companies and decentralized systems take control of customer relationships. In this breakdown, we will explore why banks are under pressure, how AI is accelerating disruption, and what this means for your money, your career, and the future of financial power. 1. AI is already replacing core banking functions. Banks were built on three core pillars: lending, payments, and risk management. Artificial intelligence now performs all three faster, cheaper, and often more accurately than human teams. Loan approvals that once required days of manual document reviews can now be processed in seconds by machine learning systems trained on massive data sets. These systems analyze income patterns, spending behavior, alternative credit signals, and even behavioral trends to determine creditworthiness. Risk modeling has also evolved dramatically. Traditional banking relied heavily on historical averages and fixed formulas. AI systems adapt in real time. They learn from new data continuously, adjusting risk calculations instantly when economic conditions shift. This reduces default rates and increases efficiency, but it also reduces the need for large risk departments filled with analysts. Fraud detection is another example. Instead of teams manually reviewing suspicious transactions, AI monitors millions of transactions simultaneously, identifying anomalies with extreme precision. It detects patterns invisible to humans and blocks fraudulent activity before damage spreads. Even customer service, once a human-heavy operation, is increasingly handled by AI chat systems capable of resolving complex banking inquiries. From balance disputes to loan restructuring guidance, automated systems now provide 24-hour support at scale. 2. Fintech and AI startups are eating market share. Banks are no longer competing only with other banks. They are competing with fintech startups powered by AI from day one. Unlike legacy institutions burdened by outdated systems, these companies are built on flexible digital infrastructure. They innovate faster, release features quickly, and adapt without bureaucracy. AI-driven fintech platforms provide instant lending, algorithmic investing, automated savings tools, and personalized financial advice without physical branches. Robo-advisors manage portfolios using machine learning optimization models. AI lending platforms assess credit risk using alternative data such as utility payments or transaction history, expanding access to underserved markets. Payment innovation is even more disruptive. AI optimizes fraud detection and transaction routing in real time, lowering costs and increasing speed. Digital wallets and embedded finance systems integrate directly into apps, removing the need for traditional bank interactions. The key shift is ownership of the customer relationship. If consumers trust AI-powered apps more than banks for daily financial management, banks become invisible utilities operating in the background. Fintech companies capture user loyalty, data, and cross-selling opportunities. Technology companies understand user experience better than traditional banks. They design frictionless systems powered by predictive algorithms. 3. Decentralized finance and AI could bypass banks entirely. Beyond fintech lies an even larger disruption: decentralized finance. Blockchain-based financial systems operate without traditional intermediaries. While still evolving, when combined with artificial intelligence, Decentralized platforms become highly efficient financial ecosystems. Smart contracts already automate lending, borrowing, and asset exchanges without central authority. AI enhances these systems by optimizing liquidity pools, detecting anomalies, and managing algorithmic trading strategies within decentralized markets. In traditional banking, trust is placed in institutions. In decentralized systems, trust is placed in code. AI strengthens that code by analyzing vulnerabilities, managing risk dynamically, and improving system resilience. Stablecoins, digital assets, and blockchain-based payment rails reduce dependency on traditional banking networks. Cross-border transfers that once required multiple banks and days of processing can now occur within minutes. AI enhances fraud detection and compliance within these networks, addressing many concerns that regulators previously raised. If decentralized platforms continue improving usability and regulatory alignment, banks may lose their monopoly over money movement. They may still exist, but their role could shrink to regulatory compliance and asset custody rather than direct customer interaction. 4. AI is redefining trust and financial advice. Banks built their brand on trust. Customers trusted institutions to protect savings and offer financial guidance. Artificial intelligence is beginning to compete in that domain as well. AI-powered advisory systems analyze spending patterns, savings rates, investment behavior, and long-term goals to deliver personalized recommendations. Unlike human advisors limited by time, AI can continuously monitor portfolios and suggest adjustments instantly when market conditions change. Younger generations are increasingly comfortable receiving financial advice from algorithms rather than traditional bankers. If performance remains strong and transparency improves, trust shifts from institutions to systems. Insurance underwriting, mortgage planning, retirement modeling, and even tax optimization are now supported by AI engines capable of simulating thousands of scenarios in seconds. Human advisors become supervisors rather than primary decision makers. When customers perceive AI as faster, unbiased, and data-driven, loyalty shifts. The psychological power of a bank branch weakens. Financial trust becomes algorithmic rather than institutional. 5. What this means for the future of banking. Banks are unlikely to disappear overnight. They hold licenses, regulatory protection, and massive capital reserves. Governments rely on them for monetary policy transmission and economic stability. However, their structure is evolving rapidly. Many banks are responding by integrating AI aggressively. They are investing in automation, acquiring fintech startups, and modernizing digital infrastructure. The institutions that adapt may survive as technology-driven financial platforms rather than traditional banks. However, smaller or slower institutions face pressure. 6. Regulation will decide the speed of disruption. Governments play a critical role in determining how fast AI reshapes banking. Regulations designed decades ago were built for human oversight, not autonomous decision systems. As AI becomes more embedded in credit scoring and asset allocation, regulators must redefine accountability. If compliance frameworks adapt quickly, AI-driven competitors will scale faster. If rules tighten aggressively, banks may temporarily retain their dominance. 7. Data is becoming the new financial asset. Banks historically controlled capital. Now data is just as valuable. AI systems thrive on behavioral, transactional, and predictive data. The institutions that control the most relevant data will control financial intelligence. 8. Employment in banking is rapidly shifting. Automation reduces clerical and repetitive roles, but increases demand for technical expertise. Risk analysts, branch staff, and processing officers are gradually replaced by AI systems. Meanwhile, engineers, data scientists, and AI auditors are becoming central to financial institutions. 9. Cybersecurity risks are expanding. As AI integrates deeper into financial systems, cybersecurity becomes more complex. AI defends against fraud, but it can also be weaponized. Sophisticated attacks powered by machine learning can bypass traditional security layers. 10. The balance of power is quietly shifting. The most important change is invisible. Control over financial interfaces is moving away from traditional banks toward AI-powered platforms. The institution that owns the customer experience ultimately owns the influence. Banks may remain part of the infrastructure, but influence may migrate to those who control algorithms and user ecosystems. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss insights about the future of money and technology. The financial world is changing rapidly, and those who understand the shift early will be the ones who stay ahead.